Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create a menu for your website and make it a primary menu. Okay, so we are going to create a menu and make it the primary menu for our website. This you can do it from any theme at all. So this is doable on any theme, no matter which theme you are using. So I'm going to show you this step to do it right now. So as you can see right here, this website here is lacking menu. So we're going to create a menu for this website right there. A primary menu for this website. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your dashboard area. So you want to scroll down to the appearance. Move over to the appearance and go to menus. So here is the menu structure area. Here is where we're gonna be creating our menu. So we want to create new menu for this website. So we're just gonna scroll up here and name our menu. So we want to give this menu main menu. You can give it any name you like. You can give it primary menu, secondary menu, main menu 1, menu 2, menu 3, depending on what you want to do. So I name this one here main menu. So when you finish naming your menu, you want to click create menu down the bottom here. This blue button here, you want to click that and go ahead and create your menu. So let's click create menu. So now that our menu has been created, let's go ahead and add some items here. So we've already have home page, chat, checkout, my account, simple page, shops, and here is where you can add some items. Well, your items, you can add this. You can add your pages here. You can add your posts. If you have any post that you want to add to your menu, you can just click here, and if you want to view all, you can click view all. So all the pages on your website, all the posts on your website will show up here. So I only have hello world on this post here, on this website here. So let's add it to the menu. So that is all been added to the menu. You can also add custom link. Custom link are a link that you can create on your own and add your preferred URL. Okay, other than the URL of your website. If you want people to go to certain website, you can just paste the URL here. So you are going to first name the link. You can name it anything you like. Maybe you want to go shop here. So maybe you want to link your visitors to a shop that you have other than the website. So just paste the link that you want to link them to. So let's say you want to link them to this. You want them to go to this website there. You just go paste the URL of the website there. And that is it. If someone click on this shop here, it will direct them to this website here. So that's what they call it custom link. So I don't want to add custom link to this, so I just leave it like that. You can also add your categories here. So categories are categories of your website. If you have posts and pages on your website, so you want to add the category you want your visitors to easily have access to your website categories. Okay, so you can just add. I don't have any category right now, so if I click here, nothing's gonna show up because I don't have any post on the website. So you can add your categories here, and that is it. So now I've added my post pages, and let's say I've added some my categories and all that. So now let's say I want this chart here. I want to arrange something here. So I want this one here to go down, to go to the bottom. So just drag it here and drop it there. That's how you arrange the items on this here. So let's say I want hello world to go to up, just drag it and drop it. Now let's say I want to make this menu a drop down menu. So to make it a drop down menu, you want to make something under something here. So let's say I want shop and cart to be under simple page. So just drag it to the right and drag this to the right also. Now we've made a drop down menu for our website. So now we've created our menu here. Let's go ahead and make it the primary menu for our website. So to make it this menu the primary menu for our website, so you want to click primary menu down here. So this is gonna attach it to our website. So this menu now is now our primary menu. Okay, so now let's go ahead and save this menu. To save it, you go here, down here, and click save menu. When you click that, now our menu has been saved. So now that our menu has been saved, let's go ahead and view our website and see how it looks like now. So let's go to the website. So now we have our menu on this website. Where look this our website is now looking professional and cool. So we have drop down here, we have my account here, checkout here, hello world here. So our website is now looking, it's not getting shape. So that's how you do it if you want a primary menu for your website. So you create a menu and make it the primary at the menu side. Okay, so guys, if you have any question about this video or you have anything to say about this video, please drop them down below. Let me see your comment down below. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.